everyone, welcome to the vlog. So today I thought I'd start off with a grocery haul. I'm going to show you guys what I got. All of this was about $100. That's including the tip for Instacart. So I got a lot of produce. I got some tiny avocados, onion. So I got some bananas, red onions as well. Some potatoes because we're on Friday. I think we're planning to do some shrimp with sausage, and I'll include some potatoes, kind of like kicking crab style. There you go. So here's the shrimp. I got the jumbo. So these are my favorite sausages for the morning. I usually have 2 or 3 and I mix it in with my eggs. We got some Italian dry salami. We got the Jumbo Franks Parkview. Sausage for the shrimp dish. So I'm just gonna cut it into pieces, cook it all together with some spicy sauce. Italian sausage. Okay, so I love getting tater tots at ALDI. Comes in this little bag. Yeah, I use the air fryer now to use these and it's pretty good. I also got the Asian seasoned medley. Queso fresco is a staple at our house, so I got 2. Spreadable butter, sour cream, some whipped dairy topping. So the kale salad from ALDI, it has a poppy seed dressing, and I usually get the packs, but this time I got some salad separately. So I'm like, ooh, maybe I'll just get the poppy seed dressing separately. So I got that, and it's really good. I really like it. Okay, so hot dog buns for the hot dogs, more romaine, cilantro for salsa, also Roma tomatoes for salsa. Here is the other lettuce that I bought for salads. We got some more of these mini peppers and also some mini cucumbers. I use these for my cheese boards, but I also really like to munch on these because you don't have to peel them. The skin is not, doesn't taste bad. It actually tastes really good. So I really like these. And they're good with like the shrimp dish. So I'm excited to taste them with that. Next bag is going to be just dairy. So we got quite a bit of dairy this time. French vanilla creamer, Italian sweet cream, some egg whites for my breakfast, and also some milk. I also bought 3 cartons of eggs. They do put those separately, so just gotta check them to make sure everything's good. So the last bag is just random stuff that I bought. So this is gonna be for my boards during Christmas. So I found these very cute wafers, like it's very springy. So I got 2 of those. I also found these Belgian chocolate Easter cookies, and these will look so cute on the boards as well. You gotta get kind of creative a little bit with doing boards because cheese you can cut in different shapes. Like I have some flowers that I can use for spring, but also you want to incorporate some of the colors. So the pastels you want to incorporate with like cookies or some chocolate. So those are some of the things I'm going to use. We also bought some more olive oil, pistachios. I love pistachios. So I bought some of these. We got some corn, the pato sauce. You guys know, if you know, you know, and pato sauce is a traditional sauce in the Mexican culture. And then some chipotle peppers because I like, when I make sauces, I like using chipotle peppers too. So that's pretty much it. It was quite a bit of stuff. I feel like with Aldi, you actually get a lot with what you pay for. A lot of other stores, I spend $100 and I'm like, where's all the food? Like, with Aldi, you actually kind of, you know, see where your money goes. So that's pretty much all I have. And yeah, I guess I don't know if I'll vlog later on today, but if not, I'll see you guys during the week. We are making hot dogs today, but not just any hot dogs. That's the air fryer making that sound. I'm gonna make hot dogs with grey poupon, some peppers chopped up, and some onion. everyone. It's actually Wednesday, so it's been a few days since I last vlogged. I made my soba noodles with chicken and stir-fry veggies. I'm gonna do a quick taste test. It's kind of bright today. Let me turn you guys this way so that, there you go, looks much, much better. I also have some iced tea. Oh, actually I filmed a TikTok yesterday and I haven't posted it, so I might do that right now on my lunch. I love these little corns. This time I did half of the pack of the yaki seasoning, and then I did some low sodium soy sauce. They look really good. Let me get some chicken in there. There you go. It's so windy today. Oh my god. Fantastic. Wow. I have one pack left and I might have to go buy more. I didn't realize these were soba noodles, like the healthier type of noodles that are made out of like water or something. I don't know. So I was actually thinking of rebranding a little bit, not too much, because I am a food channel primarily. I talk about food even in my vlogs quite a bit, and also my videos, I do want them primarily to be about food or like anything having to do with food, like snacks, appliances. I think I'm gonna rebrand to a like a budget food channel. That way I'm more niched in and like people know what to search for when they search for me. Being on a budget and being smart with your money is important, and why not incorporate that into my food channel, kind of giving you guys ideas for budget friendly meals. And usually that's what I do. Like I buy a pack of chicken and I try to make it work for like 3 different meals. So yeah, I think I'm gonna focus on that. Tell me what you guys think. Would you guys be interested in me focusing more on like budget meals? This is how my plants are doing. Nothing yet. Won't be another like 8 weeks or so. Ryan making coffee. My dead plant. I'm gonna go on the quick walk just to get the mail. I might do a little turn around. I don't know, we'll see. My cheeks are so big for these type of masks. Alright, I just finished my video for taste testing some of the popcorn. And now Ryan's gonna try it. He's gonna try to guess what the flavor is. This is what Ryan would look like if he was short. He's on his knees.
Okay.
Oh,
so
you can't see?
I'm not gonna see.
They already know what flavor this is.
I don't know what flavor it is.
No, they already know.
Who's they?
My viewers.
Your viewers?
Yeah.
You have viewers.
Yeah.
For what, eating popcorn.
Yeah.
On the white bag, there's like a little tiny bit of specks.
You can't see that. Just taste it.
Why not?
Just taste it. You're cheating. I got the other ones while you think.
Pink peppermint because those little things?
Yeah. Wait, chocolate peppermint.
Okay.
Dark blue.
Okay, dark blue. Also has...
you're not going to get this one.
Like little tiny...
Specks.
No, it looks like coloring. Like blueberry coloring.
Okay.
This is a sweet one. This is just like sugar.
Okay. You're close.
I'm close with sugar?
Yeah, you're close actually. So...
I don't taste any blueberries or any raspberries.
No, you're right. But it's an item that is this.
It's an item that's sugar.
Yeah.
It's an item that's sugar.
Yes. It's an item that's sugar.
So, what's out of sugar? There's candy. There's chocolate. I don't know. What is it? Frosted sugar cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, half right.
Yeah. I told you were right.
I kind of see it now with the
Yeah.
flavors. Okay, it makes sense.
All right, this one tastes just like it, but you gotta really like think about it.
Okay. So this one has a little bit of chocolate on it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see anything else though.
Yeah. Just really think about it. Taste it. Close your eyes. I'll lead you into meditation with popcorn.
Nutella?
No.
It's a drink?
Yeah, it's a drink.
Hot chocolate? I don't know.
Yeah.
Is it?
Hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Oh yeah, okay.
Doesn't it taste just like
It
it?
has a little cocoa powder to it, so.
And then the marshmallow you get at the end.
Yeah, it has like a little bit of a Lucky Charm bite.
Yeah.
Think of the, I haven't tried those, but the Lucky Charms with the marshmallows that are chocolate.
Yeah.
Those ones.
Alright, shit, I'll clean it up.
Okay, this one's a dark chocolate too.
Oh, what is it?
It's like dark chocolate. Did I already get it already? Dark chocolate too? I don't get it.
It's just dark
Oh, that's easy. Oh, that's sea salt. Oh, it's good. This one's better. This one's the best.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you hiding? Ryan's making me a cappuccino. I'm gonna use my little sealer to seal. I bought this on Amazon. I'm just gonna seal the bag.
Seal the...
Works pretty well with chip bags. Yeah, see? Closes up the bag. Old Navy had a sale that was 50% off all items. And for some reason they included clearance. So Ryan and I took advantage and we bought a bunch of stuff. Ooh, Ryan, this color's nice. Yay. It has a thin this. Is that gonna make any difference? This is like a light green or khaki.
Chinos.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah, I got chinos.
I didn't know that's what they were called.
Yeah, these are chinos.
Oh, wow. Baby. This one's nice. Are these mine? Yeah, these are mine. So I bought these, which they're supposed to be like dress pants, but elastic. It has like a nice elastic top and then the bottom. These are the ones that I buy for work because I like elastic and they're high rise, so. Can I open this for you or do you want to open it? I asked you after I opened all the other ones. This one's nice, baby.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a gray, but it's, yeah, this is nice. And then my last thing that I bought was a sports bra. It was on sale for $5. So this is what it looks like in the front. This is what it looks like in the back. I can remove the cups, which is probably what I'm gonna do because I don't like when it has like the cups in there. But yeah, it's cute. Nice. We made it to another Friday. So today we actually went to Arbors. So my friend Justin, he commented on my last Friday video, or last week's video, that Our Burgers is actually pretty good as well, and it's closer. So I'm gonna put their information right over here. So as you guys can tell, on Fridays, usually because we cook the entire week, we like to go out to eat at least once a week. So we chose to do our burgers this time. And so, ooh, these are my chicken tenders that I bought. Oh shit. This is onion rings. And then I guess this is Ryan's burger. Yeah, it's in there. I'm gonna taste the fry like I did last time. It was good. Oh, they seasoned it really well. Cool. So we're gonna eat, and then we're probably gonna watch a movie. But yeah, this is our Friday. Alright, I'm gonna taste this really quickly for you guys. It's chicken tenders. Pretty much they all taste the same, but maybe they're crunchier. I don't know. Bon appetit. I think they're all chicken breast. Yeah. Cool. We're good. Recommend it. We're watching a movie now.